Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a code editor so you can start writing your own code. This is the very first step we dive in before engaging in web development or any kind of programming. A code editor is simply a tool where programmers write and organize their code. Think of it like Microsoft Word, but designed for coding. It helps highlight syntax, manage files, and sometimes even run your code directly. There are many code editors out there like Sublime Text, Atom, and Notepad++, but the most popular one right now is Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. It's free, lightweight, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. To install it, open your web browser and just type VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link that appears. You'll see a big download button that automatically pastes the right version for your system. Click download, and once it's finished, open the installer. During installation, you get a few options. I recommend checking the box that says add to path so you can run VS Code from the terminal if needed. After that, just click next and onwards until you reach install. When the installation finishes, click Launch Visual Studio Code. You see a clean interface with a welcome page. This is where you will start creating your projects. And that's it. You successfully installed your code editor. In the next video, we will dive into HTML. We'll start structuring web pages and all that. We'll start learning how to go about with HTML. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.